Alright guys, let's get some work done on the B8 S4 today. Today, I actually just want to do a simple VCDS adjustment on the B8 S4. So on the B8, there's actually a little amber corner light right here. And after painting the amber corner lens, the light actually still slightly shows through there, and it looks kind of weird. And luckily, we are able to disable that light with VCDS. So in this video, I'm gonna actually just show you how to do that, and it's actually pretty simple. So let me turn the parking lights on and see if we can actually see it in daylight. Let's take a look. It's not showing through there, but maybe you can see it right there. Right there. You can kind of, oh, not right there. See that little amber little light right there? Yeah, so that is still on and it's still showing a little bit through, and I've already painted the amber corner light, the corner lens, so I still need to disable that little light because it's still showing amber, and that's what I'm trying to get rid of. Before disabling that little amber corner light, let me actually show you guys what it looks like during the night. Alright guys, so now that it's dark, let me show you guys what I mean. So let me get these lights on real quick. Right here, watch, check this out. See, even though it's painted, the corner lights are still on, and it's actually still amber. That's what I actually wanted to try and get rid of. So that's what I was talking about. It looks kind of weird like that. And so I see it right in there. So let's wait until tomorrow morning, and I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna disable those corner bulbs there. All right guys, so that's what it looks like at night, and that actually does not look good at all, especially after I painted the amber corner lens and it's showing through like that. So let's go ahead and disable that little amber corner light with VCDS. All right guys, so before I get this video started, I just want to say don't forget to subscribe to help support my channel and to follow the builds. Also, to stay updated on videos that could possibly help you guys out on a DIY if you guys have a similar car. All you guys gotta do is hit that red subscribe button right under this video. Thanks guys. Let me go grab my laptop and VCDS real quick. So that we can get this going. All right. All right, now let's get this disabled. So we'll go to select control module, number 9, central elect, I don't know what that is. Then we'll go to coding, long coding helper. Okay, so that pops up. Actually, before we do anything, we always need to save the original coding. So let me do a little snip of the original coding, just in case we make a mistake, so that we have the original coding as backup. So let me save that real quick. All right, original coding is saved. Now let's go to long coding help, back to long coding helper, and we're gonna go to the left little right here where C says 0. and just hit the up button until you go to number 10. And then you go to byte 3, uncheck that box, and exit. And now, this is the old coding there. This is the new coding here. We'll hit do it. Hit yes. Let it do its thing. Coding accepted. Okay. Close controller. Go back, and we should be good. Now let's check. All right, now let's check. Turn this on real quick. Turn the parking lights on. And yep, looks like it's off. You don't see the amber corner lights on that side, and on this side too. Yeah, I don't see it, but let's check it when it gets dark and see if it's still on. All right guys, should be dark enough. Now let's take a look at it with the amber lens disabled and see if it's still on at night. Let's see. And yep, definitely off. Before, when I showed you guys, you can kind of see it showing through the lens already, and now it's definitely off. Can't even see it at all. Take a look at this side. There it goes. No amber popping out from that. Nice. The B8 S4 is coming along, guys. Crazy how big of a difference the amber corner lens and light made the car look. Definitely looks much better than before with those amber corner lens and amber corner light. So since now that I disabled the corner light, I'm hoping that the painted corner lens will last throughout the use of it and age and heat. But I'll still actually keep a lookout on the web pages for B8 drivers and clears to see if they have any more in stock sometime soon. But for now, these are good. I still have a whole bunch of stuff I want to do to the B8 S4, so make sure you guys subscribe to stay tuned on what is to come for the B8 S4. All right, and to finish it off, we have some hard and soft carnitas tacos with some Spanish rice. Simple yet effective. That's what I'm talking about. All right, guys, and there it is. A simple VCDS adjustment, and you can disable the amber corner lights. If you guys have any further questions, just comment it down below, and I will try my best to help you guys out. Anyways, that's going to be the end of this video here, guys. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to help support my channel, comment any sort of feedback to help my channel grow, and like this video if you guys find it helpful. Thanks, guys. I will see you guys in the next video.